Elim.
Look, I'm going to spoil you. To the extent that you won't know yourself again. Yes.
Meaning wait. You won't spoil me. I don't know myself again. Holy Ghost fire.
Hey.
Destroy.
Hey.
Not me.
No, Terry.
You not use me.
Hey.
Can I say you don't see me? What let me do this one?
Terry.
Okay, all this I love you. Now my head you define. No be my head though.
Terry.
No be my head though. You see this head? You don't pass the truth.
Terry.
Hey!
No.
That's how I marry you.
Oh, come on now, Terry. Come. This is an expensive joke now. I don't know what you are talking about.
You know what you talk? Say you go spoil me, so I don't know what TV side they do again. Me say I call the craze.
No, not at all. Look, what I mean is that I will spoil you with love, to the extent that when you see another man, you won't even know he's a man. In fact, I am able to talk with love. That's what I'm talking about.
So if you tell me, you know say at times Oyibo they cause quarrel.
Yes.
Too much of Oyibo. You understand?
Yes.
At times you need to take broken. Talk psychiatry so that we feel understand.
Okay.
Because you say go kill me, I'm not gonna sabi anything.
No.
You understand?
Yes, I will spoil you to the extent that if you see another man, you won't even look at his face. Your love is already scattering my brain.
Hey!
Your love is killing me. I can't kill what I love now. But your love is killing me.
No worry, me self too. Me self too.
Yes.
I will give you plenty love.
Oh, okay.
I will take love, spoil you.
Yes.
If you see a woman like this, it will be like masquerade for your eye.
Oh.
If you close your eye like this, now me you see.
That's what I'm talking about. Kill me with love.
Oh.
Kill me with love. Hey. Kill me with love.
Kill me with love.
Kill me with love. Give me with love. Give me with love.
Today your papa soup, sweet oh.
Shut up.
Papa bring toothpick for us. Mama, take command.
Yeah, Kakaki. What is the matter with you now? Why are you crying like a little child?
It's my pepper soup. My money, my pepper soup. From a pepper soup.
I don't understand. Did you not cook this pepper soup for people to buy and eat?
They do not buy it. As you see what this thing where they finish now win the winner.
Okay, Kakaki, I don't understand. How did they win it?
Uncle, all of us they play. Anybody will fail. If the English carry person bring, so us not can fail. So us not can fail. The enemy can fail. They can carry person. Can't give us so. I think give us a pepper soup. And I said this must start in the car. Rubbish cry. La. So also tipping thing. I think Miss Ma picking old man like you. You know the Shamsi head down for you.
If I go in there before I come out, I know what's you here again. I go kill una.
You can't come. Wait till go fit too. You can't come. I be because bring that toothpick past Kato. I know you're not so.
Mazibe, come back now. Then I want no be you.
Chai, my money, my pepper soup. Chai. My money, 10,000 naira. Pepper soup, all of them. Chai.
Khaki and leather, not too small shit. Where they support anus, ne wefa ndiwe. Now which kind children be this year? They will fit cause you heart attack you if you go kwa.
Mama, you tell me no from Khaki bear, Khaki for kilo so. See, Tango so no get that sense. run from Kakaki Valley. He say, run. Shop my money finish, dry am. So I can even take fellas run. And I love new pass. That person will bust my brain. I didn't think I want to pursue. I didn't think I was there. I say,
I keep Pekins there.
Shesu! Hey, what them be this? I put my eye, they pain me. I've been waiting them to me. Run!
Don't worry. You see me, Teresa. Now we go see me with my stepmother. No need, don't just bother. We go see for house. I don't get choice. You see me, they shout Jesus.
Kakaki, how did those boys corner you and took away 10,000 naira and plenty plates of pepper soup?
Those boys are criminals. And those boys, my mind, they tell me say they use charm. Charm karaka. I didn't hear, I was busy preparing and ready for the day. They come. I said, children, customers never come. They say they go wait for customers. I said, no wahala. No, say they carry something from mine. I said, no wahala, I'm gonna sit. They sat down. So what they say, hey, we get one game like that, one American Wonder Magic game, where I fit like a play. I go with something.
America Wonder Magic game. Magic and wonder day inside, and you agree to play.
Now I make I play am. Because magic they work sometimes. Nothing they come again. Say may I do something, may I get lift. Boutique. Now I make I agree.
I see.
Go take 100 naira. Play. Win 200. And they gave it to me. I know never. They gave me the 200. They said, wait, if one go win 2, 5 go win 5, 10. 1. I enter inside. Zam. 10, bam. I display. I carry 5 come. For my mind, I don't count 10 already. But for physical, I get 5. I carry and come. For my mind. Carry 5 physical. 10 they inside my mind. I come, invest the 5. Bam! The wahala start now from that time.
Wahala? How?
Wait, make we talk. This 100 naira go give me 200 naira.
Yes, now. Now, if you do that 200 play, you get 1 million. Now, if you carry that 100 naira play, when you come put on like that, when you win us, let's get 200.
This is the 100 naira.
Yes.
Let my own day here.
We bring the magic belt and the magic stick. Today go here. But I won't get messed up.
Wait, no, do I make a see?
Yeah, now look at them. This game, hey, then they can't play. We will look for us, they look for us. Yeah. No. This game, if you shook on this side, your store don't peak. Shook on this side, you don't win. You don't win well. You don't play with that.
See my 100 naira there.
See my 100 naira.
This are not 200.
I think I shook up for you. I shook up.
Oh yeah, no.
No. Tough for you.
Oh yeah, no.
We talk. Your father is my
You don't know me before.
Yeah.
You don't know me. This is how they lose.
Kakaki.
Oh. Can't give me 200 naira before I slap on her.
Kakaki. Kaka.
I won't do again. Leave this 100 naira on. I won't do 5,000 naira one time. Do am.
You get money yourself. You want this one first. Yes,
keep this one.
Okay.
I won't play 5,000 naira game now.
But I get money. This one. Bless I get money. Hey.
This one, if I win again, I will go inside, bring more money.
Okay. You get money, That's just one.
Shut up.
Yeah.
In my hammer most that I had it take. So I hate that.
You go drag it. You go drag here.
Oh yeah. I hold it for my day. Let me.
I think we don't test me. So let me go drag this one. Oh yeah, shoot him.
Where?
Any old. Yeah, anywhere. I feel open.
Oh yeah, now.
You don't fail. Oh yeah, put your money. Where could they go? Where they go?
I won't play again.
Bye.
Come. I won't play.
We don't finish now. We don't play again.
No, not be like that. I won't play the game again.
Okay, we'll play again.
I won't put, if I give 5,000, I go win now. Another money. Now so it take happen. I go to play till my money finish. As I try to get the 10,000 naira, now it be the one where they pay me. Now I get them again. I don't get more money again to play. They call suggest say I feel use pepper soup. Say that the same thing. If money no go, pepper soup go. If I use pepper soup, win them, they go give me money. I say, hey, they say, we agree. I agree. Begin the bet. They bring pepper soup, they chop. Breathe, they chop. Until the pepper soup. Zoom. Money I no see. Pepper soup, man.
Hey, Kakake, you be mumu. How could you have allowed those children of Mazeleke to fool you like that? Eh? Imagine 10,000 naira and plenty plates of pepper soup. Eh?
You see, Mazebi, they not go free. I be the plan, they look for way where I go handle these children. I know see them before. Now, they don't enter my trap. If not my mama born me, they go free. But I know my mama, she no die ill. I know her very well. If I stay up to 9 months in her belly, kakake. Now what for you? I go do them now.
Kakake, leave that thing. Now I agreed to make you them deal with you. Now I agreed now. You did their small children. You won't play 10,000, 5,000 to win 10,000. Now mumu you be. You did there now you be mumu you fall. Guy man whack. Wait till they talk. Okay, make I ask you. Those children, they steal from you?
No, they not.
They no steal from you, Abi? Okay. Then force you to play the game.
Wait.
They no force you to play the game, Abi? Now greed, now deceive you now. If you know sound the river before you jumped into it, it go drown you now. See, you fall move. Those boys, the guy men, they whack you. Wait till they talk. See, let me tell you, Kakaki. I beg, you get pepper soup, I want chop.
Mazib, I dey respect you well. I tell you say my pepper soup finish. Not be say with a dream, na physical. Now I no get starting again. The business self, na so they die. The pepper soup finish, money no dey.
Kakaki.
Enter market, who go listen to you?
Kakaki. You know they sound like the Kakaki where you supposed to be now. You be mugu. Those boys na guy people, they don't chop you. Chop your pepper soup, chop it.
Hello, baby.
Mimi, my angel.
See, when you come see my papa and mama.
Leave this thing till we see and we'll go talk now. We'll talk about them well.
They worry me now. They say they won't see their son-in-law.
But why you they encouraging them to ask make I come safe? Them no see the photo where I give you to show them. I been you no show them the photo.
Na photo they talk about. I don't know now. But that one no reach now. They ask.
Hello?
I dey hear you now.
You dey hear me?
They talk, I dey hear you. Baby, I dey hear you.
Oh.
Hello?
This network will save.
No, they hear wetin I dey talk sef.
Mary iti bari
Go
bangegi,
see
one begi
myself
fe.
for house.
Common sense, if begin when keki melo to level. Anything what they tell you, now so you they follow them. If your papa blow grandma, you carry on to cover your head. Also looking gilly.
See, what's to know like Ben Johnson? That Uncle Kaki for 1 kilo. Yes, sir. But as we shit that man, oh, we chop in 10 p.m. We with plenty of soup. Shake that puff right there, pocket that money sink. Check him. You confirm my thing? You sure? Yes. Oh, yeah, move forward to carry that money too. For Papa will achieve them from us. But that's how go and give for the marriage. You are right. Now I don't say it be nice for kaki. Who carry the money to give Pale? Me make it take one inside. Guess so. Yes. But Kaki, wait do. Papa never tell us the woman we want marry. I never support our jack-up business. Yes, so you see this man? Oh. You can feel me say let us go trust we want marry. And us not go agree. Because you know support our own business. Our own business. Now we support your own business. I like people farm. Papa don't carry no do my want marry come. I like for Papa. Even me happy for Papa because us not get wash our pants, wash our clothes. We're gonna cook for house. Kaki, what did you talk? That man gonna suffer for house. She got to say more happy comfort, wash clothes, clean house. She, that man wicked and she beat us for that same. We gonna put her for body water. Seriously, she don't know herself. Mary they come. If she want para, what she did? Mind really go take on. Mary.
Bad children, the bad sons of Mazieleke. See them. See as they be.
Auntie Mary, wait my para.
Wait, I no go para you. See you now. As I look on so soon now, una won't do something bad.
Auntie Mary, what do we do now?
Where una they come from? Where una they come from?
We don't come from Uncle Kakiba.
What una go do there?
To go entertain our customer.
Go waiting.
Our customer.
Una get customer. When una get customer, what una they do? What do they say?
We get dance. So people they buy our dance. Yes, we get step. People they buy this step they take. Yes. From America they go America they buy. America and London this side. Yes. They buy. And for the dance, we they receive small money. And Marina and Ghana come today.
Back una collect Ghana from my hand the other time. Where my money? Where my money?
Wait. This thing for play that game, we sign. Yes. For play. I will not shoot you. Anything. Auntie Mary, we play. We win you. Yes. Cannot play again.
So now this way, I no get to that time. I dey go somewhere. I go come meet you now.
Auntie Mary, come.
Waiting.
Why they shout now?
Waiting.
See, why you be say anytime the worker, he like patrols to come off the road. He like the patrols. We like to be your friend. Yes, you don't know.
If not, why not? If not, una too they cheat me. Una no fit be my friend unless una promise me say una no go cheat me again.
True to God. True to God.
True to
God.
True to
God.
Okay, see, from now they go. We don't be friends. You're not gonna say true to. To God. That was it. I call him again. Okay.
Our papa won't marry. Yes. I want make you marry him. Yes. No, first I'm attending.
My wife is coming tomorrow. Kake and leather. Come this way. Where have both of you been?
Papa, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Kuno.
Papa, thank you. Don't mention.
Where have both of you been?
Both of us. Papa, we'll be there for Uncle Kakakiba. Yes. We don't use boats go anywhere. Papa, we use our leg. Now walk. You see any boat? We not see any boat. Oh. Papa, you see the boat?
You see your lives?
What happened to my life? My life. Papa, my life. My life. What happened to my life? My life.
You see your lives?
Our life. My life. My life. Who they see your life? Huh? Ask Papa, I know that one now.
You see why it is important that you should go to school like all the children to know how to read, write, and then understand simple communication styles in English language.
Papa, you are right.
I wanted you people to go to school, but you chose to be loitering in the village aimlessly. But that is not my reason for wanting to see you now. My children.
Yes, Pale.
My wife is coming tomorrow.
Papa, what is talking me now?
Introdonkowa. As a word of introduction to her future children.
Hey! Papa, you mean now? Papa, talk again.
Well, when she comes tomorrow, you'll get to know her, and you'll also know her name.
Hey!
Okay?
Yes, Papa. Papa, you read. Papa, you read. Papa, you read. Papa, you read. Papa, you read.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, I want the compound impeccably clean.
Papa, for sure.
Yes, so, Kake, go and get a broom. Leather, you get another broom and help him. I want both of you to ensure that the entire environment is clean for the arrival of my heartthrob tomorrow. Okay?
Papa, we got 2-1. We got 2-1 well. 2-1 well. You could just have the time. Yes, sir. We'll carry him up, clean them.
I want everywhere to be
clean. Yes.
Yes.
We go finish the ground. We go finish the ground. This ground will carry him up the table like this. All the food like this. Kitty. Papa, you eat. Papa, you eat. Papa, you eat. Hey. Papa. Papa. Let's go. You go carry broom with us. Come back here. We go sit down. We go play the grass.
Alaska, how many times will I tell you? I cannot date you. I have a boyfriend and you know it. See, that will mean double dating and it amounts to cheating. I cannot cheat on him.
Every time, double dating. Every time I have a boyfriend. Okay, make I even ask you. What make you now dey sure? Say this your bobona and no get another babe.
The day I will catch him cheating on me, that day he will understand what it means to be a woman activist and a girl child right advocate. I'm not playing, no. He will never go scot-free.
I don't see him.
But wait, so I thought you are saying that Mary one granote lady. You are hissing. I hope you are not planning to use that innocent girl and dump her.
Innocent quoi? Now who tell you say she dey innocent? Any girl dey innocent for this country?
Alaska, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking, because you cannot use that girl and dump her. You will marry that lady. You will use her and marry her. You go nowhere.
Now so they take marry. Now so marriage be. All this thing where they happen now you cause them.
Me?
Yes now.
How?
See, may I tell you, if you say you agree for waiting that they tell you since, now you are supposed to consider to marry. Not be that mumu girl one granite when no reach you half.
So now she don't become mumu girl. Where? Alaska, you don't chop her finish now. She don't become mumu girl. You all are the same. Yes, you all are the same. You will not chop that girl and dump her. You must marry her. Anyway, I'm in this compound. I will watch the movie. I will watch it for you. I beg, I have important things to do.
Consider this thing why they tell you. Now you go enjoy and pass. So. Now you go enjoy and pass. So.
What are you boys doing?
Papa, you said you know, say the parties.
Have you finished everything you were supposed to do before going into this your jasko of Werungwa?
We don't do everything, we don't clean everything. I see him. I see take clean, we don't wash plate self. We don't say one kind small. Yes. Small dance na, you know na, for our mama.
Okay.
You don't like her?
No, it's good. You see, one thing about it is, at times, you behave like people who are sensible. Then some other time, you behave like Ndagwunchinacha. That's the problem you have.
But Papa, why they call us madman? Papa, we touch and pass. We touch and pass.
No, I was only making an analogy. Because you are doing this rehearsal for my new wife, I'm going to permit you. But that does not mean I've permitted you to take dancing of a jasko as a career. Mbano. I wouldn't do that. I won't do that because it is a disgrace to me and this family. Yes. In fact, after the arrival of my wife, I'm going to confiscate this equipment and sell it off.
So you know what we could do our this in business again?
No. My decision is final. You cannot do dancing as a career. Okay? My decision on that is final. So meanwhile, let me go and order for palm wine, with which we are going to entertain my wife by the time she comes tomorrow. Okay? So you can continue with your rehearsal, take care of the house, ensure that nothing goes wrong. Okay? Okay? Yeah.
See, any sweat I want to make it too. Because me, I must follow that dance. I don't already tell you, say, if your wife come today, if your wife come, see, we go tell you what's that. In wife, we go fit change the mind. No be so. My son, I'll continue our dance. Let's talk.
Mary, go tell my dress.
Follow me.
Mary, go tell my dress. So.
Make we dey go.
Mary.
Make we dey.
Mary, why you dey do like this now? Why you don't decide to disgrace me for this village?
Na my house we dey go. You dey go see my mama, papa. They say, come see us.
Not by force. Not be me suppose carry my 2 leg waka come see your mama and your papa. See as they drag me like goat when they carry go market to go sell.
Alaska. Na myself I dey save oh. Na myself I dey save oh.
Hey, Mary now. Coming down. See, just leave me. I go carry my 2 leg the waka they follow you. Make we go see your mama and your papa.
I no fit leave you. I no fit leave you the rest. You go run.
Mary, my love. I no go run. Make you trust me. Even if na mustard seed trust.
I no agree. Men nowadays, una too tricking.
No. But you sabi say me I dey different now. Just to lead me, I go follow you.
What is going on here?
Oh.
What is the meaning of this public nuisance? Mary, why are you holding and arresting him like a common criminal?
Oh, Opaka, thank you for observation. Na small promise why I take my mouth to promise. Now they carry me, they go where I no know so.
Mary, leave his trust. Leave him at once. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Now tell me, what has he done to deserve this public disgrace?
Oh, you don't hear him from Opaka. Person where you claim say you love, they disgrace him for public. They disgrace me like this.
Mary, tell me, what is going on? What is happening? Tell me.
Na Mario.
I don't understand. How do you mean by na Mario?
He promised me marry now. He ain't dodging to go see my mama, papa.
Is marriage by force?
Oh!
No, let me ask you. Is marriage by force?
Ask Amo.
Hi. This is arrant nonsense.
Plenty trouble. It's a baliba. Who could they claim Kaima?
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
It is the meaning.
What is the meaning?
It is the meaning. I hold that boy. That boy where I capture, make I go show my mama, papa. You come out from nowhere, cause say make I release him. He run. So therefore, you go follow me, go tell my mama, papa, waiting happen for good.
Daughter of our Aloysius and Agatha. Leave my cloth. What kind of wahala is this?
Na Mary wahala. Na Mary wahala. You go follow me, go tell my mama, papa, waiting happen.
Bia, daughter of Aloysius and Agatha, leave my cloth. Leave my cloth at once.
Oh, yeah.
See, did you know the meaning of what you have just done? I mean, do you know the cause of what you just did? And do you know what it will cost you if I should open my mouth and talk to the elders in council that you held a titled man's cloth? No, go ahead and hold my cloth. Go ahead and hold my cloth.
You do now. I never leave you. You still call elders. You do. Uncle, follow me, go house, go tell my mama, papa waiting happen for road.
I cannot do such a thing. I cannot do such a thing. It's an abomination. What are you saying? I should follow you. I, Aka, should follow you to your house. No, do I look like a small boy to you? Do I look like a child to you? Let me ask you. Huh? Anyway, I will only follow you to your house on one condition.
Tell me.
Thank you.
that you will introduce me as your husband.
Impossible. I'm not fit marry you now. You don't be my level.
Oh, I am not your level.
Not my level.
I am not your level.
You don't be my level.
Anyways, go ahead and capture that your level. Since you don't know that getting husband is very, very costly these days.
Oh dear. Thank you very much, don't mention. Ngwano kanga jiden kenji. Ngwano. Thank you very much, don't mention.
Common sense,
Daughter of Aloysius.
Anything what they tell you, now so you they follow. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also lose English, you carry pot to take a cover. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also lose English, you carry pot to take a cover. Melin kanka, ambaga be adili. Melin kanka, ambaga be adili.
Aloysius! Graphicate here with a tremendous agitation because a gigantic abomination is about to happen in your habitation. Allah! Thank you.
Mazel, Paka. Can't we go inside?
No, I am not here to sit down.
If you insist on staying outside, I know that the toad does not do mawa jump in the daytime, and that's why it is described as a nocturnal animal. That's they go in the night. And again, I know that you come on foot. What brought you to my house?
Your daughter.
Where is she?
How would I know? I left her on the road where she was trying to insult me. Insult Muabu Akababronya Jochi. Eh?
Insult. How and why?
She said that I made her lose a grip of that young Efulefu. And what is his name? Yabas or Alaska? Huh?
I don't understand. But why should she do a thing like that?
She said that I made her lose a grip of that young boy, Yabaska, or whatever he calls himself. But Mazi Aloysius, please, I want you to help me to talk to your doctor. Want her to desist from insulting elders in this our community. Ogusigo Koram no. Kambiakwa.
Even Okbaka, because of my daughter, he has gone ballistic and grammatical. Bye-bye.
Alasika, stop there! Stop there! You must see my mama, Papa! Alasika, you must see my mama, Papa! Stop there! Alasika, stop there! Alasika!
Mazibe, do you know that that daughter of Aloysius is very, very mad? That girl is very, very mad. Do you know that she held me up? Insisted that I should go to her father and report myself for allowing the person she claimed to be her boyfriend to run away from her. That I should go to the father, Master Aloysius, to report myself. I should go and report myself.
Huh? You're not joking, are you? You're not serious.
Mazi, how can I be joking with a matter as serious as this?
Was she drunk?
Anyway, I didn't smell her mouth to find out if she was drunk. But I've gone to the father. I've gone to the father and gave him a serious warning. For him to want the daughter to desist from insulting people like me in this community.
That is very good. That is very good. Is she mad?
Hey!
Eleke. Mazi Eleke.
Hey!
Ibe. Mazi Eleke.
Eleke.
Yes. What are you up to?
I'm rushing to meet Azoka, the Pan one man, to order drinks for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what?
Yes.
What is happening tomorrow, if I may
Okay, ask? I have a very important visitor tomorrow. So let me go and order drinks to entertain her.
Her?
Hey, Okwogo, you were the person who told me to pick a new wife. Have you forgotten?
Oh, Eleke. So you took my advice and you did not let me know. I'm just hearing it now.
No, this one is just for members of my family. Before I make it, Goza!
Mazeleke, who is this person you discovered?
Tenteri now, don't you know?
Tenteri?
Oh, you mean Terry the fat lady, the Orobo? Mazi, you must be a greedy man.
Mazi, if you like, invite us. I don't know whether you invite me or you make it public or you're making it private. Tomorrow, I'm coming there. This your private thing is not for insiders like us.
You are just invited. You are just telling us now. We'll be there to eat on your back pocket.
Let me go before he leaves the house. Before he leaves the house.
Don't straight yourself.
Baka, love is sweet.
No, in as much as a rubber, it will be
even
small.
If it is not a rubber, even if it is a bangale, it is still sweet.
Mazen, come back, go do work at them nobi.
Let me
come to work, Madonna. You work at them nobi.
Tenterima, Amali Jamba, Silewe, Melo Mangala. I never see any woman will be like you. Your beauty, no get it better.
Boys, you know what? Nothing should go wrong today.
Amen. Amen.
Now, have you tested your music box? Is it working properly?
Yes, Papa.
Is it working properly?
It work well. Papa, now stay here. Papa, see, no, be able to take class for this village. Yes, so. See, Papa, now they take first. Yo, not be number one man. Commissioner.
Okay. You know what we are going to do? You will go inside. When our guest arrives, I will blow my whistle, give you signal. Then you come out and start the music and also start your dance. How about that?
Fine. Both of them fine. But I don't get one idea. See, make our two like this run enter inside room. When she don't come, you go play a whistle that is called sign. We will come jump from my side. Come outside. Come play our song. Surprise. I see that one.
Okay. You want to give her a surprise, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. That's all right. That's good. You see, you are very intelligent. In fact, both of you are smart.
Well, let's be smart.
Yes, you are smart. You know what? You can now go inside while I sit out here and wait for her. Once she comes, the rest is history.
Well, yes. Smart.
Yes. Yes. So go inside while I wait outside here, okay?
That's my problem.
Yes. Hey, today is today. Today is your day.
You know, waiting. Let me go to the market now. Why you won't beat me with the broom?
Because your mumu too much. Your mumu don't dare too much.
Like mama like pikin. No be you dash me the mumu.
What do you mean?
No be your blood I carry.
How big girl like you go carry market comot for house? Go dey use and dey play oringo with one useless a flav good for nothing riff-rat. Why I don't know how you take meet am sef?
Hey, mama, why you dey get two tongues now? Why you want to say you don't sabi Alaska?
Alaska na name of river. Anụmanụ ka ọ bụ ehi, which one?
Hey, mama, all liars they go hellfire. Oh, all liars they go hellfire, oh, mama.
And all mumu people they go purgatory. Oh, all mumu people they go purgatory. You think say you get sharp mouth pass me? You know say I get the sharpest mouth. 1-1, go let's draw. No return match. I give them to you. Back to sender.
Mommy, why they do like this now? Now you use this your mouth. Give me mother support. For this Alaska matter when Papa they do quick ahead. Now same you they use this your mouth now kogbese. No problem. See, if you don't make a go sell that market, no problem. Just give me money, settle me. I go start my own business.
Start your own business. Eh? Start your own business?
Yes.
Which kind of business where you want start?
Pure water minerals.
Hey! You think it's serious. You are not serious. You know they're serious at all. Oh. So, you won't go start pure water and minerals business. So that if you come out for house, that useless boy go buy bread. Sit down, take your minerals, chop them, digest them. You see how your mumu reach. You see how you take mumu. You mumu.
Now what you dey talk?
Yes.
Now what you open this your mouth dey talk? Mama, you wish me bad luck, abi?
Wawa.
Mama, leave me. Now Alaska, I won't marry if you angry. Now I won't marry.
God forbid.
God forbid wetin?
God forbid say that boy go gree marry you. God forbid.
Mama, na me dey tell this thing, Mama. Na me dey wish bad luck, oh. Na me, oh.
So you don't know say to consider that a slave to be your husband, my son-in-law. Now bad luck where you wish me. So therefore, I return them to you. Yes.
You don't want Alaska to be my husband then? Mama? Kwa?
Alaska no go be your husband. I no agree. If na age mate of your age grading of your papa, make you bring him. I go accept him as my son-in-law or father-in-law. Not be that boy, you. Yes.
Mama, as you did so now, you know say Alaska they travel go America.
Hi! You see one way. I say.
Oh, you know nothing. I make her the full and bomber to bomber. Say he must marry me. Say they go America and I make her the full and you know. Mama?
Wait, oh. You sure for this kind of thing where you dey talk? You sure?
I go to joke for that kind of thing.
Sure. Your papa go hear this one. I go tell him your papa. You sure? Oh, yeah, come now. Waka enter house, they get the mumu, they look me. Go now.
I never see any woman where be like you. Your beauty no get a attitude.
Good afternoon.
There is stick, there is.
Yeah? Terry?
Yeah?
What kind of greeting is that?
No, you go tell me. I for fry am for you first with egg. You know like am.
Let me understand something.
Now waka pass greeting.
Oh, this is how you greet people now?
Oh yes. Oh yes. See, I get one important movement inside the first hour they go. So I'm not gonna allow you like this now to delay me. Yeah?
Let me understand though. So because you are forwarding yourself to an important meeting,
yes.
That is why you will not greet people properly this time around.
I go yes now. I go fry stew for you first now. You get luck. Everybody will see for where they come. I don't greet one person. So for me to even greet yourself, I try. It doesn't have to collect the greeting back. I will collect them.
Bien, oh, Eliza. Oh, because you are going to Eleke's house. That is why now you carry yourself.
Oh yes.
Eh? You carry yourself as if you are going to governor's house. Let me tell you. Eh? Don't begin to puff up as if you are getting married to a 19-year-old boy. Eleke is a second-hand material if you don't know. So don't begin to carry yourself. Carry yourself as if you are just getting married to a 19-year-old boy. Do you understand me?
Okay, thank God. At least you give a LA baby in class, second hand. You see, Clarence says, you know, come out. Clarence says better pass you. Last grade, clean pass you. Jealousy, jeloma, oh big way. See they sweet me, he they paying you. I see they paying you, or more he they sweet me. I see they sweet me, he they paying you, oh, he they paying you. Eh?
I don't have your time.
Me, hot theory, and blockchain. Hey.
Oh boy, Mama, see me at the pray. Me that woman, no pray Papa too. Oh boy, Papa don't wait for that woman. Since how many hours? Papa don't sleep for share. Yes, sir. I say I should know that woman. Who for go house? Go tell her say, our Papa they wait. Abi, oh, and I imagine say, that woman no come again. All goes fire, God forbid. No go ever happen. Oh yeah, no. We could go as before. Palakon look for us. Or do more come. Happy. I'm gonna go.
Also.
So you're here. You are here. Why are you hiding behind me as if you saw a masquerade?
Papa, now marry.
Yes, that's anything.
Oh!
Start dancing for her. Start dancing for our guest.
Papa, we no fit dance again. Our leg dey pain us.
Hey. Okay, look, if you can't dance, take your music box and get out of this place before you spoil the day for me.
Papa, ASAP.
Come back here, Ajuwaya. But you said your legs were paining you.
Yes, Papa. Don't forget.
Just forget these children. Forget them.
Why they treat me without disrespect?
Then Terry, it's not without disrespect. It's without respect.
Leave him. Without disrespect. So far respect, they inside. I did okay.
Okay.
I don't like this kind of thing.
So, from where do we start?
Sing welcome song for me.
That's no problem now. You know, I sang with Israel Wamba at Amajek and Umar joined those days. So that is not that's not a problem for me. Let me tune my voice. Then don't tell I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. Tentere, I love you so. I love you so. I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so.
Scratch it.
Tentere, I love you so. I love you so.
Scratch it.
From head to toe, from back. I love you so. I love you so. Daddy, I love you so. Bumbo, I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so. Pararam. I love you so.
Pararam.
Anywhere they like.
Let them waka go. I doesn't care.
Now you sabi, who cares?
If you waka finish, you go come meet me for this house. I'm off.
Ellie baby.
Oh, I love you.
Nami love you pass.
Hey.
Nami love you pass.
Well, we have come to the main agenda of this meeting.
That's item 7.
I've prepared some tacos, some noodles for you. Yes, I will invite the boys to bring them.
Item 7.
Yes.
Very important.
Oh, Tentelima, I'm going to spoil you.
What?
Tomatoes and tattoos. Yes. Good. Yes. Tenteli. That's for you. And this is the food. Leave it here and you can go in. Go inside. No, leave the tray for me. Leave it here. Good. Oh, Tenteli.
I didn't say I like palm wine.
Why wouldn't I know? Why do I love you? Oh, don't know I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so.
I love you too.
I love you. I love you so.
I love you too.
If you like, make you they run anywhere where you like, run, go. I go follow you, they go.
Hi. Which kind of wahala be this from this girl like this? Eh? Which kind of problem be this? I never dey ready to marriage for now. Eh? No be who don't dey ready for marriage go come see person mama and papa. Eh? Which kind of problem be this? God, I beg. Help me explain to this girl, say, na small they take chop soup where they hot. Eh? I like Mary, but I never dey ready for marriage. Eh?
You never dey ready for marriage,
Mary.
but you dey ready for sleeping, abi?
Mary, why you dey do me like this, nah? I never dey ready for marriage for now. Eh?
When you dey shout, he sweet me, he sweet me, he sweet me. Now for like this, you want make it end, Okoya?
No be me and you dey shout the sweet me song together. No be me and you dey. Why you want make I come pay now? Eh?
You use your mouth. This your man promised me marriage before you go America, Okoya. Now you know what make I follow you go America. You won't leave me go marry another girl, marry another girl follow you go America. You no go work, you must marry me.
The America no be for now, eh? Make you dey calm down. Every time your body dey hot. Calm down now. Eh? Leave my drawers, you go tear am.
You must follow me go my house. We go introduction.
Mary, they coming down.
Make we dey go.
Hey! Mary, go tear this drawers. This drawers.
Follow me.
They cause.
Make we dey go.
Oh.
Make we dey.
Mary, this is what you dey do.
Make we dey go.
Mary. I love you so. I love you so.
I love you too.
I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. I love you so.
I love you too.
I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. Imakwa, I love you so. I love you so.
I love you too.
I love you so.
I love you too.
I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so.
Pararam.
I love you so.
Pararam.
Mary, now how many times I don't call you so?
Na 3 times you call me.
You go regret this thing where you dey do me so.
I fitn't.
You fit into Okwaya? You fit into Okwaya?
I fitn't.
Mary, Mary, leave my drawers, you go tear am.
I no go leave you. Koneman die, na Koneman bury am. We dey go see my mama papa.
Na by force? Here.
You be my American visa now.
Mary, leave me first.
I know they leave you.
I love you too. I love you too. Sweet do love.
I love you so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love you so.
What is it?
Hey, wait. Yeah, wait, side. Hey!
Hey, Teddy. What's the problem?
Shiba! Hey! Shiba!
Where they go?
Mary.
Alaska.
Oh.
Alaska.
Mary.
I don't want to drag you. Where they go? Follow me.
You dey drag me. They say you don't want to drag me.
I don't want to drag you. We don't dey reach. Follow
Mary,
me.
go tear my clothes.
Alaska, follow me. Mama, Mama, don't capture them.
Mary, go tear my.
Alaska, where they go?
Mary, go tear my
Na
clothes.
marry
I
be
know
this.
where they leave you.
Na marry na we dey.
Mary, I know where they leave you.
Eh, Alaska, no dey drag
Mary,
with
leave me.
me. No dey
Mary,
drag
come
with
out
me.
your hand for my clothes. You go tear them.
I get power pass you.
Oh.
Follow me, make we dey go.
Mary.
Mama,
Mary, go tear my clothes.
Mama.
Mary, go tear my clothes.
Mama, don't capture them. Mama,
Mary,
Mama, I don't catch them. Which come? Baby.
Wait. What's the meaning of this?
I don't catch them. Which come? I catch it.
Mazaloy, ask him. Oh, this is mannapping. Eh? I don't like it at all. Oh, it's highly acceptable. Eh?
Look, keep quiet, my friend. Why can you be so double-tongued? It is highly acceptable. I don't like it at all. Oh. Eh? Can't you mean what you say and say what you mean?
Mama, I catch it.
Capture Genepan. What is it? Mary.
This is quite preposterous and highly embarrassing.
I swear, very disgracing.
Mary,
Oh, happy.
will you release him?
Baby, you go run.
I said release him immediately.
Baby, this one is my American visa.
I said release him immediately. Young man,
Sir.
I am sorry. I apologize for the sordid behavior of my daughter.
Why now? Why they do like this now?
What crime has he committed that gave you the audacity and effrontery to militate against his freedom?
Oh, ask him. Oh, I know Sabi waiting I do Mary for her to dey treat me like criminal. Eh?
Liar. You sabi lie, yo.
What I do?
You sabi lie.
Hey. What has he done to you?
Papi, promise and fail.
What exactly did he promise you and fail?
Marry.
Yeah.
Chineke, chelu. Is this not my American visa? Na the slippers be that. Na the color, na the height. American Boba Maruamo guy. Okwana American visa. Mbiano. Chineke. Ana mebo hobu. Chineke me.
Momo girl, come catch Alaska, make I see now. And maybe Alaska.